down.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today we are building the house. It's creepy. So the last episode video came through. I'm recording this video literally a little bit after that one. It's been like 10 minutes. Look at the damage it did. Maybe if I can go up here. Hold on. I think my video settings are messed up. That's on. Oh, it's because other things are loading whenever they're not supposed to be because I didn't press them. That would make sense. And the Minecraft music ended. Oh my god. And then it goes off some of these things real quick, guys. Close you. Close you. Close you. That open, I have to. Yeah, this is faster now. So let's go ahead and get ready to build this house. I got the correct stuff. Dang, this did a lot of destruction. I didn't go fully down in the last episode. Yeah, it was pretty strong at first. Oh yeah, it was definitely stronger at first. But then it started dying. Okay. A fun fact, that takes me into the cave system. That takes me into the... I can't talk. That takes me into the cave system down there. One day I got lost in the... Or earlier today I got lost in the cave system. I swam up that. And boom. Let's see here. Where should we put the house? I might put it on that hill. I like the way that one looks. Lagging so hard. Why am my FPS so bad? Oh yeah, that's a nice hill or mountain. Oh, there's just still all rendering it in. It's loading chunk by chunk. There we go. It just rendered a lot more in. It's a lot more than I thought over here. Look at the pumpkin. How was I supposed to know that was a drop? I like the shape of that one. As everything slowly loads in. Load that in over there. Yeah, it's all unloaded. There it goes. It's looking up. Oh my god. Wow, what an epic start to this. I have to go to class in like 20 minutes. How fun is that? I think it's super laggy because I'm exporting that one video, which you guys will see later tonight. Well, not tonight, but you guys will see it. You guys would have seen it yesterday, which I recorded it today, but I'm uploaded tomorrow, tomorrow, which will be today whenever you see this video. It's confusing. I'm saying I'm recording this video on the same day I recorded that video. Or no, I did everything wrong. The video that's exporting right now is going out tonight, and then tomorrow this video that I'm recording right now will go up. There, that should be make more sense. Okay, let's see what we have to work with. We get a nice view. A lot of dandelions though. Well, you know, that won't be that hard to take out. Okay, I think we'll make this the hill. So I guess we're gonna build out jungle wood. Wow. That's a nice little place though. Okay. You know, look at the FPS, it's at like 20, which is amazing. Yeah, look, it's fixed now. It's not super laggy. And you guys see the exact same FPS as I see now. I do not like to look at that. How fast is the wind blowing today? Pretty slow. Nothing too crazy is happening out here. No particles or nothing. Don't think we're gonna get a storm today. But I don't know. But I doubt we'll see a storm. Cause that one last time was crazy. It was a monster. I'm gonna make this a pretty small house, just because I don't have the correct resources to make a big one. But we'll expand and grow. It'll just take a little bit. So let's see. Okay, I did do it correctly. So all I'm gonna do is have it go like that, and then boom, boom, and we'll have one windows. I built that one too high, didn't I? It's not have to go up higher anyway because it's a roof. I'm not gonna have enough wood to finish this. Let's make the roof out of cobblestone. I have to get doors and stuff still. So pretty much I have to go get some more wood. Not too much more, but just some. Yeah, okay. Let's go get some more wood. Also, this recording program I use, it only can record for 10 minutes and then it's gonna end the recording. So if you see some cuts, that's why. That's just a little heads up for you guys. It's pretty quiet area. pretty quiet night tonight. All you can hear is the wind howling. The clouds are blowing. Look at that house though. It looks weird. So yeah, that was the recording cutout right there. That's what it's like. It just cuts me off and just goes ba-dong. So yeah, definitely gonna edit some clips into it. Okay, so anyway, yeah. It's already been 10 minutes. That's crazy. Time flies whenever you're playing this mod. It's a pretty fun mod though. Your peaceful Minecraft music. I love peaceful Minecraft music. OG peaceful Minecraft music. Wow, this tornado made a mess though. Okay, let's just jump down the street real quick. Fall apart or something? I'm going to the wrong side of the cave. I think I went to the wrong side. Wow, this is not even rendered in. Oh my gosh, since it's not rendered in, it's pushing backwards. I think I hit a block and it pushed me. This is just great. Why did I go down the wrong tunnel? Now. I know where we're at. Here we go. Okay. Let's take some cobblestone with this. Let's take it all. Let's take this, this. We'll take all this stuff later. We'll come back with all that later. Let's go all the way back over there. I'll get the rest of the stuff off the camera. We can't put it over there. Let's just finish building it and then that'll be the end of the episode. Cause I have to get to class here in about 10 minutes. It's already almost a 20-minute video. So I need to hurry up and get this done. I'm not trying to make super long videos. And the video is done going to YouTube. So I have to just add the links to it, and it'll be good to go. Just so peaceful in this mod. Listening to the wind howl and just chilling. Also, if you guys have any ideas of what I should build, just let me know in the comments. and I'll try to get to it. Any suggestions or any ideas, just let me know. It's not this mountain, is it? Shoot, I don't remember. I think it's this one. Nope, doesn't look like it. It's the next one. Ooh. Oh, it's almost died. There's no safe way down. Oh no, there's water, but I just freaking missed it all. Oh my gosh. Why is there so many caves here? It's actually weird. I might have finished building this off camera. This is taking a long time to get there. Oh my. Huh? Why was it not letting me up no blocks? I'm sorry if that hurt your ears, but just my voice. I went, huh? That's funny. Well, probably not to you guys, but. Oh well. Let's go ahead and just throw this over here. Let's finish the roof up. That's gravel. And I'll go get sand and stuff and I'll smelt it and add glass panes or glass blocks. And I'll do the rest off camera. But anyway, guys, there's our house. So anyway, I hope you guys do like and subscribe. It's where our house is gonna be at. I'll set up tornado sirens and stuff and start building other things. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy, shoot. And it just saved a screenshot that I took of the tornado a long time ago. Okay. recording stopped because of that. But I paused my game. Look at that wind! Look at that wind! That's high wind. That guys. So looks like it's about to be dead. Yeah, it's dead. It's dead. The sun's done, folks. The wind don't look like it's done though. That's going down. Oh, let's go up there. And my dog is whining. Yeah, nothing's happening. The wind's pretty high. It's not as high as it was. The wind doesn't be screwing around now. Let's go to my config settings. Oh my god. I have to change some of these settings. Let's change this to 500. Just to see what will happen. We'll change that down if we have to. Should we change this 500? Yeah, let's just do it. If anything crazy happens, it's my fault. It's not doing nothing. Alright guys, well, this is the end of the video. We had a storm. That's pretty cool. Anyway, yeah, this is the real end. Nothing else will be happening in it. So yeah. Anyway, talk to you guys next time. Peace out.